Welcome to Business, Marketing, and Information Technology. We will begin today by joining our Google Classroom and completing our first class collaborative activity using Google Docs. The first thing I need you all to do is go open your browser, put your cursor in the address bar, and enter classroom.google.com and hit enter. If you already have some Google Classrooms, you will see them here. We are going to add to join a class, so click the plus button to create or join a class. You will select Join Class, and you will add the class code that was provided to you in your email instructions. That class code is 26IXHUG. After you've entered your class code, click Join. After you join the classroom, you should see our class 5313 BMite. Select that class to open, and you will be at the Stream page. You will have two stream options available. Can you handle the truth and are welcome to BMite? I'd like for you to click the Classwork tab at the top. The way our class is structured, every week we will have our unit with a topic on the Classwork tab and have them organized according to topic. Today, all we have, since this is a new class, is our Welcome to BMite topic. On our Welcome to BMite, there is just a little introduction for you to get to know me, along with my contact information. Today, the project we are going to continue is Can You Handle the Truth? If you will click on Can You Handle the Truth, click View Assignment, click Instructions at the top, and read and follow the instructions. Each one of you will follow the instructions to add to this collaborative Google Doc that's at the bottom of the instructions. When you open the Google Doc, you all have editor access, and you will all follow the instructions and follow the example I've provided you here to participate in the collaborative activity. Once you have finished adding your statements, then you will respond to 3 of your classmates according to the instructions on Google Classroom Assignment. Enjoy getting to know each other.